aircrafts. Wonders of engineering that continuously cross the airspace. Tons of metal and other materials loaded with passengers, luggage and merchandise to connect destinations throughout the entire globe. But have you ever wondered what makes them fly? It is not the fuel. It is not the power. It is not the technology. It is not magic either. It's the team behind it. Their experience, their professionalism, their ability to adapt and their implication so that everything works as planned. At JAS, we have been making it possible for thousands of airplanes to reach their destinations for over 20 years. Applying the highest quality standards so that everything works as planned, accompanying pilots and crew on their flights, adapting to the new needs of our customers in order to achieve their maximum satisfaction, and offering the most modern and respectful services with the environment in terms of recycling and dismantling aircraft. Today, we embark on a new stage with the security that 20 years of experience gives us and the eagerness of the first day to continue accompanying our customers for many more years. JAS Jet Aircraft Services, the best team to take you further.